Can you replace water that you need to consume every day with tea? The answer is quite simple and straightforward, which is N-O, no. N-O, no. Okay? So don't try to think that, oh, if I drink enough tea, then I can drink less water. No, you still need to consume water. Okay? You still need to maintain the dominant circulation in the body, the water circulation in your body, and blood circulation in your body, energy circulation in your body. The health in your body will automatically linked to the health and the balanced mind. It is not whether you want to do it or not. You will do it without knowing. Whether to sustain and maintain a positive thinking or negative thinking that influence your emotional energy, that is a matter of decision you need to make. Which circle? Positive, negative? Who made the decision? We made the decision for our own body and our mind. And who can change the negative to positive? Again, it's up to us to manage from where? From inside, from your heart. Okay, so first of all, never consider drinking tea is able to supplement or replace the water consumption you need to consume a day.